Hey everybody, it's Emily, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this look that I did on my Instagram probably a couple of weeks ago. This is a picture a lot of you guys were wanting to see how I do this look. It's super simple and easy, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today in this video. But before we begin, I'm going to talk a little bit about this really cool perfume brand that I have been working with recently. It is Dossier, and I've talked about them in a couple of videos. So basically what Dossier is, they sell luxury perfumes, but their prices are so good and the quality of their products are just like amazing. They basically do like dupes of, they have scents such as like Gucci, Dior, YSL, Tom Ford, like any luxury brand you can think of, they probably have that perfume. They also have perfumes not only for women but also men, and they also have unisex scents. So yeah, there's something for everybody, and like I said, they are such a reasonable price, but they smell exactly like the perfume that they say they are inspired by. So here today I have this scent here, which is Floriental Vanilla. I will put the scent they are inspired by, but I've had these for a while now, and these are both of my favorite ones. So I have Floriental Vanilla and Woody Hyacinth, and they come in a little box like this. It just looks like this when you open it up. So this is where the perfume goes. This Woody Hyacinth is inspired by Chanel Chance, and trust me when I say that they all smell exactly like the scent that they're inspired by. But the really good thing about this is that they are a very sustainable brand. They are vegan and cruelty free. They have clean ingredients. They're made in France, and the really cool thing about this brand is that they are risk free. So it's like a risk free thing. So when you get this package, you can try this little sample out first, and if you don't end up liking this sample, you don't even open this first. You try this sample first, and then if you like the sample, you can open this up, and if you don't like the sample, you can actually just send this back for free, and they will give you a refund. I believe it's like a 30-day thing, so you have to do it within 30 days. But it's really good because you can try the scent out before you actually even open the full bottle. And like I said, if you don't like it, you can just send it back. And I believe you can just keep this little sample with you. You just send back the whole bottle. But yeah, I really love this brand. It's just like an overall good brand. One of the main things I really love about this brand is their packaging. Super simple packaging. It's very minimalistic, and the little perfume bottles, the cap is like magnetic, which I always find really cool. But these are both my favorite scents. They also include in the little order like a little sheet of all the information, so it tells you all the notes, the inspiration, the concentration. So if you don't like the scent, they will give you a refund. You can return it for free. So yeah, definitely check it out. Check out their website and everything like that. Like I said, their prices are really good, really affordable. Their price is around $29 to $49, something like that, $39. So it's a really good price. And like I said, I don't know, I'm not a fan of like having a bunch of different perfume bottles. I really do love perfume, but I just don't like having mixed matched stuff, and this just looks really nice and very luxurious. So yeah, everything will be linked down below where you can find them, and you can also use my link. Yeah, definitely check them out, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay you guys, so for this video you're gonna need rubber bands, and also you're gonna need some safety pins. I just got these from Walmart. You can literally get these from Walmart. They're like in the sewing stuff section. I have a wig on today because my hair is too short to do this hairstyle anymore, I believe. So I'm just going to show you guys with this wig. This wig is from I think Unzi, I believe. Yeah, it's very tangled. I need to fix this wig. This hairstyle is super easy to do. There's not really a bunch of steps to it. It's literally like super easy. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and, so we're gonna make like top buns pretty much here at the top. So what I'd like to do first is take a rubber band, and I'm just gonna put it in like a ponytail, pigtail type thingy. So first we have this, and once you get that, what you're gonna do is I like to just literally wrap it around. Yeah, so that's it. I take another rubber band. If you have like shorter hair, not as thick hair, you can use like these rubber bands, but this wig is kind of thick and long, so I have to use bigger bands. And if you need to, if you have like little hairs like this, you can just take some bobby pins and pin them into place. Also, if your buns are kind of like, I don't know, lopsided or whatever, you can also just pin them down with the bobby pins and just kind of do it to your liking. It's kind of what I just do. So anyways, I don't really care too much about that, like little whatever. So yeah, and then you're gonna repeat that step on the next side. And I'm probably just gonna speed this up so you guys can see it. Okay, so keep in mind that this is a wig, and you probably want to pull your buns out a little bit more further apart. So kind of just fix them however you want to fix them, and I'm not worried too much about it right now. So this is what they look like. Again, this wig is just like so tangled and stuff, so kind of ignore that. Now you're gonna take your safety pins, and this next part you're gonna be really careful because you can easily like poke your scalp, so just kind of be aware of that. So all you're gonna do is literally you take the safety pin and you just start putting them wherever you want to. You can take different sizes. I really like this safety pin box from Walmart because there's like so many different sizes that in here. So you can take like small one. This step is really tedious because you have to like make sure you're placing them right so that they look good. But yeah, and then you can also start putting them like here and these pieces of hair, because you want some here and then you also want some in the buns. But yeah, that's literally all that you do. It's really not like a complicated hairstyle. You just do the two buns and then you start putting the safety pins in. So I'm going to do that really quickly and then I will come back and show you guys. So when you're done, it should look something like this. Like I said, the placement of the safety pins like just really depends on you and your feeling and style and everything like that. I also like to take a section from like back here and just braid it. So I will kind of do like a small-ish braid, not too thick, kind of not even noticeable really. And then for these braids, I will take a small rubber band like these and then just rubber band that. And I like to do it like on both sides. I don't know, it just kind of adds as something else to the look. And then I will put some safety pins in the braid as well. Just because, like, I don't know. You can, like I said, however you want to do this look, you can literally just kind of do it to your liking. You don't have to do this, you don't have to do the braid. You can do a different hairstyle really if you wanted to. I don't know. You could do like a bun or something. I don't know, whatever you, like I said, whatever you want to do, it's really up to you. And this hairstyle I did not come up with. I kind of saw it like on, I believe Internet Girl did a hairstyle like this or something. I don't know. I will try to find the picture and put it here somewhere. But like I said, it's literally up to you to do what you want to do. And so like you can barely see the braid, but like whatever, I don't know, just add something else. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. And then I just think it's so cute with the bangs, and then like you can kind of do that with the bangs as well. That's really cute. But yeah, that's literally, it's not that hard of a hairstyle to do. The only thing is at night when you're taking this out, it's like kind of a pain because you have to take every single little safety pin out, so just keep that in mind. And like I said, be very careful whenever you're putting the safety pins in your hair. You don't want to poke your scalp or even your fingers. Like, it's kind of tedious, so you have to have time to do this look. And if I would recommend, if you're going to wear this look out, that you put some on, you put safety pins on the back of your hair. If you're just taking pictures, you don't really have to do that, but like it might look a little weird if all you have is safety pins at the front, so also keep that in mind. But yeah, it's literally super simple, and like I said, you can kind of do this to your liking. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. If you guys do this look, please tag me in pictures. I want to see your guys' like recreations of this look, even though I did not come up with this look really. I just want to see you guys in this hairstyle, because it's a really cute hairstyle, and I feel like it's super easy to do, and it's very like alternative, goth, grunge, punk, whatever you want to do. So yeah, definitely tag me in pictures. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.